Welcome to Talent 500. We're helping the world's best companies build and manage a global workforce. The world around us is changing rapidly. The pandemic has accelerated digital transformation for most large enterprises, and some of the world's best companies are growing faster than ever. And yet, companies of all sizes and shapes are facing their biggest challenge ever, finding and building great teams with good people. At Talent 500, we're solving the talent problem by helping some of the world's best businesses access incredibly talented and smart professionals from leading talent hubs around the world. We were incubated under a company called Answer. Now, Answer is a very interesting company. It's been around for about 15 years, and it's helped some of the world's largest enterprises, Fortune 500 companies, build out capability centers focused on innovation and technology, having hired more than 85,000 people across 15 years. When we started at Talent 500, we wanted to solve the problem of building a distributed workforce by making talent acquisition a lot more efficient and scalable for large companies. Along the way, we realized that there was a growing need for companies of all sizes that wanted to build out a global team without necessarily the complications and overheads required of doing it themselves. At Talent 500, our one-stop platform allows you to discover talent, hire them, onboard them, and manage them over a longer period of time without the overheads and complications. Our goal is to help the best companies grow faster and allow the best professionals in the world access the opportunities that would change their careers.
So the first aspect of our solution relates to global sourcing. A lot of our clients are seeing the challenges of talent shortages in their home markets and are a lot more open to hiring globally. But hiring globally means they need to know how to source locally. They need to know the nuances of hiring in the local market. This is like super complex. The processes that a US-based company might be used to in the US might not really work in India or Poland and so on. So what we've done is we've built this infrastructure, and our fully automated sourcing allows our clients to very easily access talent across multiple geographies at the same time, as long as they are very clear in terms of criteria around what their budgets are and what their potential, what skill stacks they're looking for, and what kind of time zones they want to work with. This automated sourcing infrastructure is effectively integrated into local job boards across 30 plus geographies. We've also built a lot of integrations into curated developer communities just to ensure we have access to specific skill stacks that are typically very niche and up and coming. And we've also have our own professional network of around 300k professionals who we engage and present curated opportunities to. All of this essentially allows us to match the right candidates, the right jobs, so that our clients are then able to meet people faster, get discussions going, find people who have the right sort of shared vision as well as the qualifications to meet their job specifications. So the second aspect of our solution revolves around screening and selecting candidates. We've built a data sciences powered recommendation engine which allows us to evaluate fitment of every candidate to a particular job by matching them across 100 plus parameters. We call this as talent intelligence. This allows us to reduce the manual effort involved in the overall recruiting process, thereby increasing the speed of hire by 2.5x and reducing costs by around 60%. The third aspect of our solution revolves around global onboarding. Managing a workforce across multiple locations is incredibly complex. Every country has its own laws, labor laws, taxation laws, and so on. And we effectively take away a lot of this complication that a company has to typically deal with when they're setting up a legal entity by offering what we call as an employer of record service. Effectively, what we do here is we represent the company and offer legal employment contracts on behalf of the company to the candidates that they would select, and then downstream manage the entire payroll and benefits process for these personnel. This way, we essentially take care of all the overheads associated with employing these resources in a remote geography. The company doesn't need to necessarily worry about it and can focus on ensuring that they effectively assimilate this particular individual into their workforce and make them part of their broader employee base. We work with companies across multiple sectors, across different sizes and so on. There are the more traditional Fortune 500 companies who are in the midst of their digital transformation journeys. These include companies such as Walmart, PepsiCo, Delta Airlines. There are also I'd say new age disruptive market leaders such as Airbnb, Uber, and Twitter that we work with, and they're looking to scale across geographies, right? So we help them with a lot of their talent search. Lastly, we partner extensively with VC firms such as Accel and Sequoia to work with their portfolio companies to help them scale their teams to accelerate their product roadmaps.
We've assembled a team of experienced professionals from across the talent acquisition industry to help our customers achieve their business outcomes. In addition to this, we also use a mix of technology and human intelligence, which helps our customers discover, select, and then manage their global workforces. The TA team works with a list of incredible customers. They get to work with incredible talent. At any time, they're working on multiple high-value mandates, which are going to have huge impact on our business outcomes of our clients. In addition to that, they're working on a truly unique business model, and this is defining the future of work. At Talent 500, we're building the future of work where talent is everywhere. We offer our teams the flexibility and the choice to live and work from any location of their choice, prioritizing the kind of lives that they want to lead, at the same time ensuring that they do not have to compromise the work that they do. Today, we are a team of 150 plus fully remote professionals working across 30 locations, 5 countries and time zones. At Talent 500, we offer a variety of benefits: permanent work from home, flexible working hours, home office setup, as well as insurance for self and dependents. We also offer adoptive leave, fertility leave, as well as paternity leave. There is also opportunities for learning and upskilling, and counseling and coaching services. At the same time, we also offer highly competitive salaries and equity options.
We're on a mission to change the future of work, and we'd love for you to join us.